Across the buffalo's rough skin, thousands of swollen ticks cling tightly, slowly wearing down its strength. The irritation never stops. Every twitch and sudden shudder shows an animal nearing its limit. Alone beside the shallow water, the exhausted giant faces a problem it cannot remove by itself. Desperate for relief, it presses hard against an old tree. The rough bark scrapes through its heavy coat, but the stubborn ticks remain firmly attached. For one helpless moment, the buffalo appears overwhelmed by the irritation covering its body. Then restlessness takes control, and the giant suddenly races along the water's edge. Its hooves pound the ground, its body twists and shakes, but the discomfort follows. There is nowhere it can escape, because the source of the problem moves with every step. Tired and breathing heavily, the buffalo returns to the muddy bank for one more attempt. It rolls its massive body from side to side, pressing thick mud deep into its irritated coat. The cooling layer brings brief comfort, but beneath the mud, the irritation soon returns. With every other solution failing, the buffalo turns toward the lake and enters deeper water. Beneath the cloudy surface, this final choice is about to change everything. Dark shapes appear through the drifting silt, silently gathering around the submerged giant. A school of hungry fish approaches, not to harm the buffalo, but to feed on its ticks. Within seconds, the natural cleaning begins. Small mouths grip the swollen ticks, lift them from the skin, and consume them whole. More fish emerge through the murky water, surrounding the buffalo's legs like a living cleaning team. The giant carefully shifts its weight, yet the determined fish continue around every moving hoof. Each successful removal feeds the fish, while slowly freeing the buffalo from relentless irritation. Above the surface, its breathing begins to soften as real relief finally arrives. Below the waterline, the fish move beneath its heavy body, reaching places it cannot scratch. But now help arrives from above. Fish clean beneath the surface, while red-billed oxpeckers search above, forming a remarkable natural alliance. Yet the hardest ticks remain hidden inside narrow folds around the buffalo's hooves. The fish inspect every small crevice until even the thickest clusters begin to disappear. For the first time, the exhausted buffalo stops struggling and rests in the cooling water. The fish make one final sweep, searching the submerged skin before their activity begins to slow. As the cloudy water settles, the underwater cleaners drift away, their work nearly complete. The buffalo remains in the lake, letting the cool water soothe its tired and irritated body. Then, with new strength, it turns toward the bank and begins climbing out. But the rescue is not over. Now the Oxpeckers must clean everything above the waterline. They spread across the buffalo's broad back, carefully searching through its thick, wet coat. Each bird hops from fold to fold, stopping the moment a hidden tick appears. Their narrow beaks work like natural tweezers. More oxpeckers join the effort, each choosing a different area of the giant's body. A swollen tick is located, lifted cleanly from the skin, and consumed in one motion. Two birds move steadily across its back, working side by side while their enormous host stays calm. Every precise movement removes another source of discomfort the buffalo cannot reach alone. But the search is not finished. One stubborn cluster remains beneath the thickest hair. The birds quickly locate the hidden ticks, remove them one by one, and continue searching. They gently part the dense coat, revealing parasites missed by every earlier attempt. The buffalo allows them complete access, offering the birds food in exchange for relief. Across its broad back, the heaviest clusters are finally gone, and the irritation begins to fade. Its face appears softer now. Its breathing has steadied, and the earlier restlessness is gone. Freed from much of the discomfort, the buffalo moves forward, with confidence returning to every step. It passes the same old tree again, but this time, there is no desperate rubbing. One oxpecker lands gently on its forehead, turning toward the sensitive area around the eye. With remarkable precision, the bird searches the narrow folds, while the buffalo remains calm. Even here, several ticks remain hidden, but one by one they are found and removed. The oxpecker discovers another swollen tick, lifts it with a quick movement, and consumes its reward. Then it approaches the ear, the final hiding place. Balancing beside the opening, the bird carefully searches the folds and finds what remains. The buffalo gently tilts its head, placing complete trust in its smallest ally. One final swollen tick is discovered, removed cleanly from the skin and quickly consumed. What began as relentless discomfort ends with the buffalo walking free, thanks to nature's smallest allies,